Oh shoot. The sprinkler's on. Oh, look out, look out. Oh, it smelled like coffee. Good morning, everybody. Here's the delayed one. Sand dollar make you holla. Oh, we ran out here, wanted to catch first light, and we made it. Stepped onto the beach and oh, there's a sand dollar. Y'all stay tuned, let's see if we can find some more. Oh, yippee skippy, here's another one.
Oh my goodness.
Oops, gorgeous, look at it. Beautiful. Love living on the Gulf of Mexico. Look at this, folks. Oh, down here, down here. Woo-hoo. Look at that. Another one. And another one, look at that. Little tidal pool being created here. Let's see if there's anything. Great big scallop. We'll grab that one. I don't find those too often on Okaloosa Island. Look at this. Quicksand. Oh, look at the sand down. Oh, hang on, hang on. Okay, got washed. Gotta grab it. Oh, it's a nice one. Oh, the sand. Look at that. That one definitely make you holler. Look at that. Gorgeous. You can see this spot up ahead. Grabbed that one large sand dollar and I was like, looks like there's a little point up there. Coquinas. Oh, there's one getting washed back out. Let's grab that one. Another calico. Pretty markings. Look at that. Pennsylvania lucine. Look at all these trails here. See if we can find another sand dollar. Looks like a dark scallop here. Let's see. There we go. So there are 3 different spots you want to be checking here. Out on the flat, right here at the edge, you can see there's a line of deposited shells and debris, and then in the riffles here. Oh, there's one. Right down here. There we go. Look at this little ledge here. We had one of these at Navarre Beach last week. There's a heron up ahead. Oh, look at the crab. See him? Oh, taking off. Oh, I wonder if we'll find a whole one today. Look at that. Piece of a scotchy. Nice coquina. Oh, cool. Look at this. Look at this little cockle shell. We've been walking quite a bit and haven't found another sand dollar. All right, we're not going to give up. We're going to keep walking. There we go. Reach underneath. Nice arrowhead. All right, here's a shelly spot. All right, first glance, I see coquinas. Don't see any small discs. Grab this one. Another nice yellow one. Look at how clear the water is. It's nice and warm, about 78 degrees. Still hunting for a sand dollar. It's a really nice coquina. Here's a little trashy line. Barnacle. Oh, there's another barnacle. Oh, look at that. A little spiny jewel box. Oh, is that dolphin? Look at the sun and the water. Look at this, gorgeous. Lots of sargassum washed up this past week. Thought we'd walk up here a little bit higher. I don't know, look around, see what we can find. There's a jingle. The sun has it popping. Oh, look at that. That's interesting. Find arcs too often around here. That's so interesting. We start off the day 1, 2, 3. We're just picking up sand dollars left and right. And now, like nothing. Look at that. Our first slipper snail today. Here's a scallop. So since there's this really angled part of the beach, climbed up over the sledge, looked up here in the sargassum, that's where we found that scallop. Still not that much going on up here. I'm still looking for that sand dollar. Lots of coquinas right here. And the weather's beautiful. 65 degrees, northerly breeze. Nice day for walking. Oh boy, gotta get close for this one. That looks like speckled talon. Easy to keep walking past that one. Some ink cockles here. Right here. Well, that is weird. Look at that. That is the first live one I've ever seen. Usually you find them in the bay and they have a critter in them. Crab. We'll put that down in the water. Alright, put that out there at the ledge. Pretty calm so it can stay there. That was a unique find. Oh, look at this, just washed up. Look at the colors. Oh, there we go, there we go. Sand dollar definitely make you holla. Look at that. Haha. Whew. Finally found one. I feel like sitting down. better grab that. That could hurt.
Beach Bum and Dad.
So I asked Beach Bum and Dad if I could see what was in his shell bag, so let's go. Looks like a few sand dollars. There's a lucine, an egg cockle for Miss Frida. Some calico scallops. Some barnacles, and look at the pretty coquinas. Thanks BBD, let's get back to shelling.
Well, I wanted to sit a moment and share something with y'all. I so appreciate y'all coming out, spending your beach time with me. I know you could be off, well, I guess you could be off at work. So if you're sneaking this at work, shh, quiet. It's kind of hard for me to say. Living in Florida has been hard because we have children and other family members in the Midwest. Miss them dearly. This video is dedicated to my Uncle Jerry, who passed away several days ago. I know these videos can be a getaway for y'all, and even if I didn't have a camera with me, I'd still be walking out here. The calming of the waves, sand between my toes, just makes for a great way to start the day. I was able to talk to my uncle while he was in hospice. He didn't respond, but I got to tell him I love him. Since we moved here, I got to see him a couple times a year, but he was never able to leave the house and come on down and visit. Would have been nice to bring him out here and find a sand dollar. So again, this video is dedicated to my Uncle Jerry. Thank you all for being out here today. Hope you have a great day, and hug someone, smile at someone today, and tell someone you love them. It's like your footprints on the sand. They're there for a moment, and you turn around and look, you blink, and those footprints are gone. Goodbye, Uncle Jerry. Love ya.